Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Hotmail account. So it's pretty simple. So first you want to search for Hotmail login. After you search for Hotmail login, it's going to show you Outlook over here. So what you want to do is click on Outlook. So for most people who do not know what Outlook is, so Hotmail has been bought by Microsoft and Microsoft had changed Hotmail into Outlook. So for people who used to have a Hotmail account, now your Hotmail account has not been deleted. The login information which you used on your Hotmail, you need to use it on Microsoft Outlook. So instead of Hotmail account, it's going to be Outlook, all right? So whatever login detail you had on Hotmail, just enter that, your email first. After you enter your email, on the next step, it's going to ask you for the password of your Hotmail account. Once you enter the password of your Hotmail account, you should be able to log in into your Hotmail account. Now, when you log in, it's going to show you Outlook, but all of your past information is going to be saved over there. So don't worry about it. So I hope you understand. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos just like this. I will see you guys next time.